Best deals.
1. Cleaning brush. The thick flow scrubber brush excels at removing stubborn stains. This scrubber squeegee is indispensable for multiple cleaning tasks. The stainless steel handle is detachable and adjustable, crafted with high-quality PVC bristles, rubber squeegee, and a robust steel handle. This flow scrub brush ensures durability and longevity. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cleaning brush. The handle and brush head of the scrub brush can be rotated 180 degrees to be used in various cleaning scenarios, and there are 3 lockable angles between the brush head and the handle: 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees angle. The hard bristle brush is suitable for stubborn dirt cleaning on floor tiles, and the sponge head has super absorption capacity, which can be used to clean the stains on finer surfaces. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Microfiber duster. Made with microfiber. Picks up dirt and dust without damaging delicate surfaces, without scratching and without the use of chemicals. Long plastic handle allows you to reach hard to reach corners. It is soft, super absorbent and quick drying duster. Flexible. The head is great for car, window blinds, ceiling fans, crown molding, bookshelves. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Hard flow broom. Crafted with high quality materials, our garden broom is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mop with bucket. With 2 PCS microfiber pads for floor cleaning. Super absorption let you easily do any wet or dry cleaning. Washable mop pads maintain quality after machine washing, keep long-term usability. Adjustable steel handle can be extended to around 4 feet. It's also suitable for cleaning walls or windows. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Floor cleaning mop. Designed with a horizontal flat plate, and the connection between the mop head and handle can be rotated 360 degrees to clean all kinds of dead corners and hard to reach places, easily solving stubborn dirt on corners, ceilings and windows. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Squeegee. Streak-free single swipe clean for instant dry surface. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaning brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Desktop broom. It can be used for office units, computer tables, shelves, cabin, small corner sofa, in vehicle equipment. Easy to hang on the hook so that it comes handy when you need. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mesh cleaning brush. It can be used dry for light dusting and maintenance cleaning, or you can get it wet to increase your power. For removing pollen, cottonwood fuzz, and other dusty debris, you can use the screen cleaning brush to quickly pick it up. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cleaning brush. Bristles reach deep inside carpets and removes dust and stains from carpets without damaging delicate carpet fibers. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Vacuum cleaner. Enjoy the convenience of a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner that goes beyond flaws. Our product includes an extra brush designed specifically for cleaning sofas, curtains, and tight crevice. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cleaning brush. The wide brush head offers expansive coverage, ensuring quicker cleaning sessions by covering more area with each stroke. Ideal for large surfaces like patios and bathroom floors. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Metal broom. Made from high-quality steel so it is both strong and lightweight, a bonus when there are a lot of heavy leaves to lift up. Also, with the adjustable fan, it folds to a tighter profile. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Wrap kit. The cartoned film for window tool is mainly made of high-quality plastic, with strong elasticity, not easy to break, durable and easy to clean. The squeegees are made of premium rubber material, durable to use while cause no damage on surface, Safer to use, the carving cutter helps cut the film or wallpaper to the desired shape. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Window cleaner. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Gap cleaning scrub. Made of high-quality plastic non-slip handle and hard nylon bristles. The cleaning brush set is removable and washable, easy to clean and reuse, won't get your hands dirty, so you can clean easily. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Grout cleaner brush. The innovative rotating crevice brush is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier, more efficient and more thorough, can provide maximum scrubbing power while ensuring a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Gap cleaning brush. With ultra-fine pet bristles that outshine traditional toothbrushes. This hard bristle gap cleaning brush effortlessly reaches deep into cracks, making small gap cleaning a breeze. Brush is a versatile solution for kitchens, bathroom faucets, corners, taps, tile surfaces, shower door guides, sink drains, ovens, turntables, sliding door guides, air conditioning filters, and narrow window frames. The strong, flexible, and durable bristles maintain their shape under pressure, making it an indispensable tool for a pristine home. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Window track cleaning brush. Features the removable buckle design, which is easy to clean, and the brush head is easy to replace, making the brush more hygienic. The brush can be hung and stored, making cleaning more convenient. Of high-quality PP polypropylene material handles and scouring pad, which are durable, flexible, soft and wear-resistant. They can be used for a long time. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Floor cleaning mop. Made of high-quality plastic, stainless steel and microfiber, this upgraded flatbed hands-free mop absorbs and dehydrates quickly and has strong adsorption capacity to lock in dust. Floor mop can be stored in a vertical corner and is easily disassembled, making it easy to carry and store when not in use, taking up little space. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Vacuum cleaner. Designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use wherever you need it. Whether you are cleaning your home, car, or office, this portable vacuum cleaner is the perfect tool for the cleaning job, suitable for deep cleaning of terracotta, marble, porcelain stoneware and ceramic floors, even for carpets. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Gardening tools. A horticultural implement consisting of a toothed bar fixed transversely to a handle, and used to collect leaves, hay, grass, and, in gardening, for loosening the soil, light weeding and leveling, removing dead grass from lawns. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Floor cleaning mop. Microfiber mop cloth is machine washable, reusable and eco-friendly. Microfiber flat mop cleans more thoroughly and more effectively than cotton mops. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Vacuum cleaner. Has a lightweight design and weighs only 3 pounds, allowing you to operate it with one hand to easily clean the interior of various cars, stairs, kitchens or hard-to-reach corners. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Crevice cleaning brush. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Flat mop. Made of high-quality plastic, stainless steel and microfiber, which can absorb and dehydrate quickly. And has strong adsorption capacity to lock dust, can be stored in a vertical corner, takes up little space and can dry quickly. This long-handled cleaning mop can be used to clean stone, tile, laminate, hardwood, vinyl, bamboo, cement, baseboards, and drywall. Product link is given in the 27th link. Thanks for watching.